Ipinabot ng Pilipinas ang pakikiramay sa mga naging biktima ng tornado sa Oklahoma. Ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, kasama ang mga Pilipino sa panalangin na mabigyan pa ng lakas ang mga biktima at nawala ng mahal sa buhay na makabangon mula sa trahedya.
The Filipino people joined the world in grief in the wake of a devastating tornado that struck Oklahoma City and its environs. We extend our sympathies to the thousands affected by this calamity, among them the Filipino-American community, who are confronted by the daunting task of rebuilding their lives and their homes. We are deeply saddened by the loss of young lives in this catastrophe, many of whom perished in a school where they sought refuge. Our thoughts and prayers are with their parents and families in these difficult times. May all the victims of this disaster find solace and strength in the days ahead, knowing that the world stands steadfast with you.